This is regarding what?
My lord, it is that matter, my lord, wherein the wife and there was a gang comprising of several persons, my lord, uh, uh, gold amounting to rupees more than 10 lakhs. That was, my lord, that was kept in a organization, and the police authority took nothing. The gold was taken away by the wife, amounting to rupees 10 lakhs, and there was a huge gang comprising of various persons along with the wife. They took away the gold from my house, and police took no action with regard to that. Several sorts of complaint lodged with regard to one of the complaint lodged against the husband of acid attack. My lord,
Yes.
I beg to appear for the petition, my lord, in this matter.
Time for the private respondent, my lord.
Why did you pray for release of the matter?
My lord, this matter and the other matter, since this matter was heard, substantially heard by your lordship, my lord, we had.
No, it's nothing of that sort. Substantially heard, only one order I can see, and you go and get the matter released. This is very unfair. You know, if the other matters also same thing happens, then what's going to happen? Everybody will get their matter released from the regular bench and come here. This is not proper and substantially heard. It was only one day, it was heard, order was passed.
Your Lordship last occasion heard the matter and directed the police respondent to file a report regarding the progress of the that.
So what is the substantial hearing that took place? Your learned friend is saying that no matter was not substantially heard.
One day the matter
This matter was heard at length.
Like other matters, my lord, your lordship passed an usual order, directed the police authorities to file a report regarding the progress of the.
So what is the substantial hearing that took place? This is regarding what?
My lord, it is that matter, my lord, wherein the wife and there was a gang comprising of several persons, my lord, gold amounting to rupees more than 10 lakhs. That was, my lord, that was kept in a organization, and the police authority took nothing. The gold was taken away by the wife, amounting to rupees 10 lakhs, and there was a huge gang comprising of various persons along with the wife. They took away the gold from my house, and police took no action with regard to that. Several sorts of complaint lodged with regard to one of the complaint lodged against the husband of acid attack. Now certain things are coming up. There is one advocate involved, a huge gang is involved, that nothing happened with that sort of acid attack. This is a huge story, my lord. I'll cut short, my lord. Kindly see what the report they place right now. There was a direction for furnishing a report before your
Has
lordship.
it been placed?
Lordship, I am praying for short possible, Lordship. Mr. Wasim Ahmed is appearing in this matter, Lordship, for this.
But then I am not very inclined to take up this matter. Substantially heard is an absolute wrong submission. Please come. From the letter addressed to the Honorable Chief Justice. From the letter of the advocate on record of the petitioner, dated 24th July 2024, addressed to the Honorable Chief Justice. Seeking assignment of this matter before this bench on the ground of the same being substantially heard by this bench.
This matter was heard at length by your lordship, and
maybe only on one occasion. That does not mean I hear so many matters. That does it mean that all matters will be part heard or they will come back to me? It's not so. The bench heard this matter only on one occasion and passed order. Stop. The expression used, now the expression within quotes substantially heard may not be proper in the instant case. Stop. Next. As the assignment was made solely on the ground of the matter being substantially heard, which actually is not correct. Accordingly, this bench is not inclined to take up the matter. Let the same be sent back to the let the file be placed before the Honorable Chief Justice for necessary order.
On the very next matter, there were 3 orders that were passed by your lordship.
My lord, I am for the private respondents in this matter. My lord,
আচ্ছা আর একটা লাইনও লিখে নিন the learned advocate representing the private respondent also admits that the matter was heard in usual course and substantial hearing did not take place. What is 10?
my lord, item number 10. My lord, this matter was also released on the prayer of the petitioner. My lord, in this matter, 2 orders were there passed by your lordship, which were subsequently challenged in an appeal court. And the Honorable Appellate Bench was pleased to set aside both the orders,
Yes.
interim orders, and my lord, so the writ application, my lord, as per the direction of the Honorable Appellate Bench, my lord, is to be heard fresh on merits after exchange of affidavits. So, my lord, presently there is no order subject to lordship's correction. There is no order persisting in this present writ application.
Very
My lord,
well.
this is the order of the Honorable Appellate Bench.
So why is it before me?
My lord, because it was prayed for release before the Honorable Regular Bench.
And
By
where
the
is the
petitioner.
letter before the Chief Justice for assignment?
My lord, it
No,
was-
here no letter was made.
No letter is
My
there.
lord, it was prayed, and my lord, my lord Justice Borodaj was pleased to observe that, my lord, as per the prayer of the petitioner, let the matter be released. It was solely on the prayer of the petitioner. And my lord, the order stated 5th of July and 10th of July, my lord, of passed by this honorable court was set aside by the Honorable Division Bench. If your lordship kindly sees paragraph 5,
But here
6 and
একটু
7.
বলতে দেবে অংশুমান দা রিট পিটিশনটা তো আমার একটু বলি my lord, the question involved in this, your lordship had directed, my lord, both the learned advocates to visit the state flat in question. Now, my lord, both the orders were subject matter of challenge before the Honorable Division Bench, and that was set aside, both the interim orders. Now, my lord, subsequently, this matter is before your lordship, my lord.
And my lord, it was directed that the writ application be heard after exchange of affidavits, my lord, without, and their lordships were further pleased to observe that the writ court be slow to interfere with the disputed question of facts with regard to the.
There was no disputed question of fact,
My lord,
first
this
of
was
all.
the observation of the honorable.
Very well. The matter stands released from the list
My lord, may I take back the
and be
order?
placed before the Honorable Chief Justice for necessary order.
My lord, may I take back the order copy? My
Yes,
lord, it will
yes.
be grateful to your lordships. I'm deeply. Angshuman Chakraborty, লিখে দেবো? Private respondent.